I am so excited to try this pizza pan. It was kindly sent to me so I could review it for you guys, and it's made out of steel. You can cook everything from pizza to steak to veggies to bread, and also you can use this on an outdoor grill. You could use this, make a pizza over charcoal and make like the wood fire pizza taste, which we love. Tonight I'm gonna try using it regularly in my oven. And the first step, so they give you really good instructions here. It comes pre-seasoned, so you don't have to worry about that. You can use it right out of the package, and you'll want to heat your oven. If you're going to use your oven, you're going to want to heat it up to 500 to 550. Once it's up to temp, so I did 500, I put the pan in on the top rack, and I'm going to let it heat up for 45 minutes. So it needs to get to maximum heat, like maximum temperature. That's what you want. And then the next step is to take some corn flour and sprinkle the corn flour. Once it's all heated up, sprinkle the corn flour on the pan. So we'll do that together next, but I don't have corn flour. We're gonna use arrowroot flour. It should do the same thing. And then after that, we'll kind of go from there. We'll stop back, but we'll put the pizza on. All right, here is the finished product. It was done in 5 minutes. And let's cut this and see what it looks like. Family's loving how this pizza turned out and how nice and crispy the finished crust is.